Good morning, class. This is me, Mrs. Amrita, your English literature teacher. Today I'll be starting with Act 1, Scene 1. This scene is the opening scene of the play, and there are certain characters in this scene which are number 1, Alonso, the Duke of Naples. Number 2, Ferdinand, son of Alonso. Number 3, Antonio, brother of Prospero, who is the Duke of Milan. Number 4 is Sebastian, he is brother of Alonso. Number 5 is Gonzalo. He is a trustworthy and a loyal counselor in the court of King Alonso. Next is the boatswain, a subordinate officer of the ship. Crew members. Crew members are the helping subordinates of the ship. And last is the ship's master, that is the captain of the ship. So as you can see in the picture, the scene is located on a ship which is facing a severe sea storm and is in danger of destruction. There is a huge thunder and lightning. So here is the summary of Act 1, Scene 1, which I'll be explaining to you line by line. A ship is caught in a terrible storm on which many royal passengers are sailing. They all are returning home from Tunis after the wedding ceremony of Alonso's daughter, Claribel, with the king of Tunis. While returning, their ship is caught in a terrible storm. So, in this particular scene, we will see that a ship is caught in a severe sea storm. There is huge thunder and lightning, and on that ship, many royal passengers are sailing. The ship is carrying many royal passengers, and these royal passengers are returning back to their home from Tunis. There was a wedding ceremony of Claribel, the daughter of Alonso. She is married with the king of Tunis, so they all have gone to Tunis for the marriage ceremony of Alonso's daughter, who is Claribel. So after she is married, they are returning back to their home from Tunis, and while they are returning back to their home, their ship is caught in a terrible storm. The royal passengers are Alonso, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, Sebastian, Antonio. So, the ship is carrying many royal passengers, which includes Alonso, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, Sebastian, and Antonio. The master of the ship asked the boatswain to make arrangements in order to save the ship from sinking. The boatswain is on the deck trying to save the ship. Just then, the royal passengers orders the boatswain to hurry and save the ship. So, as soon as the ship is caught in a severe sea storm and is in almost on the verge of destruction, the master of the ship, that is the captain of the ship, asks the first officer, that is the boatswain, to make arrangements so that their ship can be saved and no passenger is harmed or injured. The boatswain, along with their crew members, have already started the rescue operation. They are working very hard and doing their best in order to save the ship. But in spite of that, the royal passengers come and orders the boatswain that he should hurry and save the ship. The boatswain is on deck. Deck means a place on the ship where you can stand and see the surroundings. He is already doing his best in order to save the ship, but still the royal passengers, as they are really panicked, scared, they are not willing to sacrifice their lives, so they order the boatswain that he should make arrangements and save the ship. As the boatswain was trying his best to save the ship, so he gets irritated by the commands of the royal passengers, and hence he asks all of them to go back to their cabins as he was getting disturbed. So, as I've already told you that the boatswain was already trying his best to save the ship, so when the royal passengers come and orders him, he gets irritated by their order, and then he asks all of them that they should go back to their cabins. Cabins are a sort of rooms where the passengers stay on the ship. He asks them that you should all go back to your cabins as I am getting disturbed. Gonzalo reminds him that many royal passengers are sailing on the ship and therefore he should be patient, but the boatswain has no patience and is hardly respectful to them. He ignores all of them. So, after the boatswain asks all of them to go back to their cabins, Gonzalo reminds him that he should be very patient, he should not lose his temper, and he should be alert, careful as he is talking to the royal passengers. But the boatswain paid no attention to Gonzalo's words and is hardly respectful to them. He is not worried as royal passengers are sailing on the ship or not. He is just trying his best in order to save the ship. He ignores all of them and continue trying his best in order to save the ship. Gonzalo is very confident that the boatswain will handle the situation, but Antonio and Sebastian are very rude to him and continue ordering him. They both insult him and abuses him and calls him a dog, cur, whoreson. Gonzalo says that we will not sink as the boatswain is not destined to die of drowning, rather he will die by hanging and hence the ship will not sink. Gonzalo is somewhat very confident that the boatswain will handle the situation. They will not die as he will save the ship. But Antonio and Sebastian, they get very panicked and they are rather very rude to the boatswain, and in spite of being told by the boatswain that they should all go back to their cabins, they stay there and continue ordering him. They insult the boatswain, abuses him and calls him a dog, cur and a whoreson. These are some of the abuses uttered by them to the boatswain. Gonzalo, in order to make the situation calm, says that we will not sink because after looking the face of the boatswain, I am very sure that he will not die of drowning, rather he will die by hanging, and that is eventually the ship will not sink. In order to be hanged, he has to be out of the sea. That is, he will take the ship to the shore safely and we will not die. Just then crew members come and tells the boatswain that the ship is going down and now there is no hope. We all will die. Just when Gonzalo was trying to calm the situation by telling that we will not die as the boatswain will save the ship, the crew members come and tells the boatswain that now the ship is going down and we have no hope. We all will be dying very soon. Gonzalo asks everyone to pray. The passengers are very much frightened and are ready to surrender their lives. So after the crew members informs the boatswain that there is no hope of their survival, they all will have to die, Gonzalo asks everyone to pray. All the passengers are very scared, very much nervous, and eventually they are ready to surrender their lives as they have heard the crew members saying that there is no hope of their survival. The ship cracks from the middle and the sailors pray for their safety. So now the ship cracks from the middle. There's a partial crack in the ship from the middle and all the sailors start praying for their safety. Antonio and Sebastian joins Alonso, whereas Gonzalo prays that if he is destined to die, then he will not want to die on the sea, rather he would like to die on a dry piece of land. In the meantime, Antonio and Sebastian joins Alonso, whereas Gonzalo prays and he makes a wish to God that if he is likely to die, then he would like to die on the sea. He would not like to die on the sea, rather he would like to die on a dry piece of land. So this is Gonzalo's wish that he is ready to die, but he just wishes that he does not wish to die on the sea, and he will be happy if he will die on a dry piece of land. So here the scene ends, and the passengers are very much scared. In the next scene we'll get to know whether they all will be saved or not. So in this scene basically we have seen that the ship is caught in a severe sea storm and is on the verge of destruction. Many royal passengers are sailing on the ship. They all are panicked and they are all scared. They are not willing to sacrifice their lives. They are abusing, they are cursing the boatswain, and the boatswain on the other hand is trying his best in order to save the ship, and he is hardly respectful to the royal passengers. He is ordering them that they all should go back to their cabins as he is getting disturbed. Gonzalo is having confidence in the boatswain that he will save the ship, but Antonio and Sebastian gets panic and still stay there and continue to order the boatswain. So I hope you have understood the scene. In the next video I'll continue with the act 1 scene 2. Thank you.